It's about 60 degrees, 40% humidity. There's a beautiful sunrise from where we live in, well, I guess, yeah, sunrise coming over the Mingus Mountains, they call it. I've been here a week. Have to get my butt in gear and start working. A lot of people aren't buying enough Simpole, so I have to go back and wash windows. I don't have a van yet, but to show you a very simple setup where you don't have to spend $5,000. Here's my DI tank. I rent for $135 in Phoenix. Water in with the clever, simple connections. One right here to the hose, one here. Can turn it off. Goes to here. They have the light connection to tell me whether the DI is good or bad. Goes on down here to the 300 feet worth of Cox reel that I got from David Levitt, my friend. And then it goes to the Simpole. And just to show you, I just turned it off and I'm still getting water. And the water is only half on. That's the great thing about the pencil jets. So I'll turn the water on here. And just shows you, this is working out of a Honda. Okay. Don't know why this is coming out so cloudy. Sorry about that. I'll figure it out someday. But here I'm washing my wife's car with the Simpole. And we're actually redesigning the clamps so they fit even better. So we won't have the problem that a lot of people are having with the clamps coming apart on other poles too. But here it is under low pressure. Look at that. Alright? Under low pressure. And this is just working out of a back seat of a Honda. So you guys who think you need $10,000 systems, well, I'm sorry. I started with next to nothing. Alright, here we go. Doing my windows for the first time. Now, that's on low pressure. That's the beautiful thing. And this is no pump. Now I turn the pressure all the way up, and it's going to be crazy. Now look at it. Look at that. That's way too much pressure. I don't know. We can show that's shooting out way too much. So I'll go ahead and turn the pressure down. Now part of the key to pressure is the size of the hose. 5/16 probably even gives you more pressure, but I like the 3/8. So water coming in, condensing down here, gives a lot of pressure. Got a little thing in there to collect water. I'm sure it's going to make a mess of this until I get my van. But that just shows you how simple of a setup. Get a Simpole, a DI tank, and you can see up there, I wish this would not be so glary there. There you go. You can see the water shooting up there. Now normally on a Simpole, here I got the whole pole, which is a real pain in the butt because, you know, can't do that with someone else's pole. Anyways, what comes with the Simpole now is a great little connectors. So I can turn this off here. Go ahead, and with all the carbon fiber Simpoles, you get a 3-footer. Now this one isn't glued together yet, but I'm just here to show you. So, and the advantage of the 3-footer is that it also comes with a connector that screws off, and you can use it for regular window cleaning. And if something should happen to the clamp, you would go ahead and have a 3-foot section. Here, see, you can do it all by hand. And it's a great idea. So anyways, check out the Simpole. I'll try to do some more instructional videos once I get set up. But just to show you, you can get it done out of a backseat of a car. I worked out of a Volkswagen for 10 years and cars for 20 years. So you don't have to be expensive to do water-fed pole. Phil Alexander, now in Prescott, Arizona, beautiful country, signing off.